and welcome to Teen Take and Make Craft Kits with the Kent Library. My name is Eric Mahalitz. I'm the Youth Services Librarian here at the library, here to talk to you about our Teen Take and Make Craft Kits. So every third Saturday we are releasing these kits. They are free, they are first come, first serve, no registration required. We make them available on our curbside pickup porch in the back of the library. And this month, in celebration of Poetry Month, we are doing magnetic poetry kits. These are pretty simple, pretty awesome. Stick with us while we make them. So here we have the contents of our kit. We've got a nice set of printed instructions here. If you are not getting this kit from the library, this is all pretty simple to put together, pretty inexpensive to put together. The biggest cost is certainly the magnetic paper here. But we are essentially working with a sheet of magnetic paper. This is just words printed on regular printer paper. And we have a pair of scissors and an erasable pen. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our printed words here, and I'm going to cut out not the words themselves, but I'm just going to cut around this whole box of words here. Okay, so there's that. Then the next part, for anyone who has ever put a protective cover on a phone or a tablet, will kind of recognize this part. So we've got our magnet here. This is our magnet, and then on the back, this is a sticky back. So we have to peel off this white part, and I'm going to do this in phases. So I'm going to peel back a portion of it and just fold that over. And then I'm going to carefully line up my sheet of paper here with that magnet sheet. Press it down. Now that I've done that, I'm going to peel the rest of this away and kind of slowly make my way along. You can use, something to help you out a little bit. We're just trying to avoid bubbles as best we can. If you do get some bubbling going on, start from the center and push towards the edges. And there we have our magnet paper with the words stuck onto it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this excess bit of magnet paper. We do not need that. So you can buy, obviously, magnetic poetry kits in stores. A lot of stationery stores carry them. Bookstores tend to carry them. They can get a little pricey. Oftentimes you'll get either generic ones or thematic ones. I know I've seen a Shakespeare one that was, pretty funny, the words that it had in it. But anyway, so here, now the next thing you're going to want to do is to actually cut out your words. I like to cut out the columns and then cut out the individual words. I actually have some words already cut out here. I'm going to set this aside for a moment. So you've got a lot of different words to work with here. There are also a number of these that have either prefixes or suffixes on them, or prepositions, things that you can stick onto the beginning or end of some of the words that are here. And the other thing to note here we've got an ing, ful, so you can cut those and stick them onto something else. The other thing to mention is there are some blanks, and this is where our erasable pen comes in. So you can write whatever word you want on here. The one thing I will say about erasable pens is they are not perfect. So if I just write the word the, okay, and trying to erase that word right away, you know, I like to think it does a good enough job that you can write over it. You won't feel like, oh, I just need to throw this away, that looks terrible. It does erase enough. You can write over it. The word that you write over it will be legible. Obviously, the longer that you leave a word on there, the harder it will be to get rid of. So just something to note there. And that is essentially all there is to these magnetic poetry kits. Again, these will be available the third Saturday of every month, our Teen Take and Make craft kits. This one will be available this Saturday, the 17th, as part of Poetry Month. Enjoy.